जी लाइव हो गया मैं।
ठीक, तो शुरू करते हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल शुरू करिए।
हेलो ऑल रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, कलीग्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, मेरी तरफ से आप सबको नमस्ते। आई एम आकांक्षा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एजुकेशन, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद. We are here with a new topic, that is professional development of teachers through e-resources by Professor D.R. Goyal sir. Here I want to mention that initially we started this series only for our students. But due to such an overwhelming response, we have expanded our session through live streaming on Facebook. In today's session, we have 1800 participants registered across 24 states, and even few are from abroad also. They will connect us with Facebook live streaming session. And now I request Professor Dhananjay Yadav sir, Head, Department of Education, University of Allahabad, for welcome address to our chief guest and speaker, Professor D.R. Goyal sir. I request Professor Dhananjay Yadav sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. It is indeed a moment of great pleasure to me this evening to welcome our distinguished speaker, learned audience, my senior colleagues, and all those who are at these moments with us on this webinar series 5 of Education Department. In fact, this series was incepted by the initiative taken by 4 young colleagues of our department, Dr. Akanksha, Dr. Ruchi, Dr. Saroj, and Dr. Prashant Kumar Esteling. And we are at the moment in the 5th series of this lecture. And today, for this session, we are having amongst us a very sincere, dedicated researcher, renowned academician, administrator, and a thinker who has contributed a lot to the theory and practice of education as such. He has been a Dean Faculty of Education, MS University Baroda, case Baroda, and presently he is Professor in CIET, NCRT, New Delhi. Sir has consented to be our chief guest, chief speaker. He is a very simple, honest, and dedicated person, and almost every day he used to write something in the form of his poetry, and those deliberations are indeed output of in-depth feeling by heart. And the topic that he has taken for today's deliberation is professional development of teachers through e-resources. As a teacher, we think that the challenges that we are facing in the days to come, in the present scenario, they are enormous. And the skills that we are having, of course, they are not sufficient enough to make us as much productive, as much dedicated for the meeting out the needs of the learners as such. In this scenario, the talk that Professor Goyal is going to present will be of very much use to us. And when we all are locked down, though we are in the process of second phase of unlocking, but still there are many restrictions. In those restrictions, the alternative that we are having is e-resources, and how can we exploit, rather use these e-resources for the professional development, for identifying our professional needs, and for making us more need-oriented and more competent enough to develop competencies in ourselves so far as the professional development of ours is concerned. Sir, I heartily welcome you on this forum this afternoon. The audience, as very rightly Akanksha has told, that there are more than 2,000 audience, and they are from 22 states. They are from abroad as well. This shows that our reach is gradually expanding. Initially, it was for the uh, in-house, catering the need of our PG students, research scholars, and gradually it is expanding, and it hope that it will give us proper feedback, and we will expand it later on as well. I heartily welcome our two senior colleagues, Professor K.S. Mishra ji, Professor P.K. Sahu sir. Both of them have been the former vice chancellors of University of Allahabad. They have been guiding us, and they will guide us so far as the development of professional competencies are concerned, the development of department is concerned. I am heartily thankful to both of you, sir. Professor Sahu is with us, and he has rightly consented to uh, take the responsibility of summing up the session. I welcome you, sir. आपका सर हार्दिक स्वागत है. It is your greatness that you are with us. And without the blessings of our senior teachers, Professor R.S. Pandey ji, उनको याद करना हम नहीं भूल सकते, Professor P.C. Saxena sir, and our senior colleagues, they have been our source of inspiration, Professor Vidya Agarwal madam, Professor D.R. Singh, Professor Pratibha Upadhyay, Professor Sujata Raghuvansh, Professor Uma Rani Sharma. They all have been motivating us to come forward and to take the lead in this venture. Without taking much time, I straightforward honor you, sir, Professor Goyal sir. You are a man of great dedication, and the original ideas that you used to share have been always our source of inspiration. सर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है, और आपकी सहृदयता, आपका बड़प्पन और आपकी शालीनता और आपके द्वारा दी गई जो बराबर हमको कविताएं मिलती रहती हैं, वो ये बताती हैं कि आपकी सोच कितनी मौलिक है, कितनी ओरिजिनल है, और यथार्थ से कहाँ तक वो संबंध रखती है. तो आपका सर विभाग की तरफ से और अपने पर्सनल विभाग की तरफ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. आकांक्षा जी, now can we?
जी sir,
over to Akanksha ji.
Yes sir, now I will introduce the, thank you sir. Now I am here to introduce Professor D.R. Goyal sir, but as a matter of fact, he is so famous that he needs no introduction. He is identified as man of media. Served at Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya Indore and former head case Baroda, and presently he is serving as Professor Educational Technology at the CIET NCERT New Delhi. He has been chairperson of Western Regional Committee NCTE. He has been member on the Examination Reform Committee of the UGC. He is co-author of 25 books, 32 edited books, and more than 250 published research papers. He has designed, developed, and uploaded volumes on the abstract of research studies conducted by teacher education institutes in India, which are available at educationindia.net. You can surf on that website. Even sir will tell about that website. You can find out the various studies which have been done in this field. He has established ICORE, that is Indian Consortium of Research in Education. That is also a very useful website. You can see, sir will discuss further on in his lecture. The latest areas of his prime interest are holistic education, technology, integrated education, human rights education, taxonomy of educational skills, taxonomy of educational research, meta-analysis and synthesis, guidance, mental hygiene, health education, and universal being. And he is also member of advisory board in various institutions, various reputed universities, and he has been conferred Indian Association of Teacher Educators Honor Award 2 times. And he has also been nominated as a member on the court of BHU and COG, Central University of Gujarat. And he is a very good poet also. And with these words, I welcome Professor D.R. Goyal sir for his deliberation. गोयल सर, आपका स्वागत है। प्लीज आप शेयर स्क्रीन के लिए आप देखिए अपने उस पे।
Yeah,
Sir,
thank you
can
very
you-
much.
No, thank you.
Well, thank you, Akanksha. Thanks a lot. And I'm grateful to the Allahabad University giving me a chance to be amongst more than 2,000 webinarians. I really feel strengthened. Well, I'm grateful to Professor P.K. Sahu, the former Vice Chancellor of Allahabad University, and my chum, I call him chum, child friend. For me, wish I could be like that, Dhananjay. And I really feel proud to be amongst the galaxy of the webinarians, and I salute all the webinarians for the cause of education. The focus of this webinar today is professional development of teachers through e-resources. Well, there could be, there are, if we look into the where we have had the oral tradition, then we move on to the documents, then images, videos. Now we are in the realm of virtual reality and augmented reality. By the help of which we can have mixed reality. Let me give you some of the glimpses of the augmented virtual reality and all these different forms of here is AV audio, that is virtual reality, glimpses of virtual reality through animal cell, and this cell in the form of virtual reality has been produced like Unity, Blender, and we have used with C Sharp, and finally it has been finalized through Euphoria. And I think any teacher for that matter can learn it. It's not that difficult, it's easy, and we can produce, we can utilize the then I'll show you an example of augmented reality. Okay, it is not permitting me to go there. Okay, I'll get back to that progressively. Now I come back to the PowerPoint. Well, as I was sharing with you that this e-resources could be many varied areas. I'll go on giving you the glimpses of it. I was not in a position to link with the augmented reality. I'll get in later. Now, professional development of teachers. अगर हम उसको अपनी हम प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट से हम समझते क्या हैं? Teacher should be competent with the contents. The teacher should be at ease with the transaction of the contents. The teacher should be in a position to realize the holistic development of the learners. Teachers should be humane and professional. Teachers should have both the skills, hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills means production skills, soft skills means sharing skills, communication skills. And any teacher for that matter in this present age, 21st century, ought to be well versed with TPAC, that is technology. Hello, dear learners. I am Devraj Goyal from CIET of NCRT, New Delhi, India. Today we will focus on learner-driven pedagogy from constructivism to connectivism. It is under the course Perspectives, Issues and Research in Teacher Education. Let us anyhow, we were on technology, pedagogy, content knowledge. Here was a glimpse of one of the modular programs. We have designed and driven pedagogy, and then ICT aided constructivist approach for the professional development of teacher. ICT can really aid in the professional development of teachers in many varied ways. And along with this, we teachers ought to be rooted. हमें अपनी संस्कृति का पता होना चाहिए, हम अपने कल्चर में हों. We need to have that cultural heritage, and we need to breathe our culture, live our culture. We need to we need to transcend our culture. Also, teachers should be well flowing through society and psyche. We should be one with the society. We should be at ease with the psyche. And teachers should not be in the history only. इतिहास से केवल इतिश्री नहीं, हमें भविष्य में भी झांकना है. हमें भविष्य के साथ भी आत्मसात. We have to be at ease with futurology also. Now, every teacher in this age of media implosion, information explosion and media implosion should be info savvy. That is, we ought to have various skills so that we become information experts. We ought to be in a position to have access to information irrespective of where it is located by the help of technology. And for that, we need to have 5 ways. Skill of asking, that is skill of asking valid questions through brainstorming, asking the questions timely, asking the questions economically, asking the questions pinpointedly. We should be in a position to access the information, the answers to our questions where those are located. Those may be just in the geographical proximity near, those may be very far off, those may be located वो देशज भी हो सकते हैं, विदेशज भी हो सकते हैं. Those could be located anywhere. So for that, we ought to have complete networking globe over, and having complete networking, then skill of scanning, skill of skipping, skill of hyperlinking, skill of connecting. There are many varied skills which are required for accessing information. And while accessing information and after accessing information, we ought to, and whether what we have gathered, our gathering is well or invalid, whether it is up to primitive, whether it is complete or incomplete, it is fair or it is merely. So we need to go into analysis of the information, analyze it in terms of the various aspects and dimensions. after having analyzed the information, we ought to apply it to the initial list. We have to find out whether the problem has been solved fully, or it is solved partly, or it is not solved at all, not at all. Now, whatsoever is the status, we need to go back, asking, accessing, analyzing, applying, and finally assessing till we are in a position to address the problem as comprehensively, as completely as possible. Then teachers should be well versed with communication skills. Here I would like to share with all the colleagues the basic model of communication and with all finalities, but I like to revisit my basic model, which was given by Leswell. Though his name is Leswell, but I think the fellow has been fully well, because till date I am trying to learn from him and learning from him and will be learning from him. He says that there are 5 elements of communication: who says what, to whom, through which channel, and with what effect. Who is the sender? Says what is the message, to whom is addressed to the receiver, through which channel is the medium of channel, and with what effect is the communication. The effectiveness of communication, that is, communication is making ourselves common. It has been derived from the Latin term communis, to make common. To what extent we are in a position to make our ideas common, our ideology is common, our methodology is common, our theory is common, our conceptions common, our schemas common with the receivers. And this communication, the quality and quantum of communication is a function of the correspondence between all these elements. अर्थात जो संप्रेषक है, संग्राहक है, माध्यम है, संदेश है, उनमें तारतम्य होना चाहिए, कोरेस्पोंडेंस होना चाहिए, एक लेवल के होने चाहिए ताकि वो ग्राह्य हों. Then techno-pedagogical skills. भाई चाहे मन करे, मैं कहूँगा भाई कि टेक्नोलॉजी क्या, आंखों के मुकाबले का क्या कोई कैमरा है? Is there any camera in this universe which is equivalent to eyes? The power of eyes. हम चले वो क्या बोलते हैं, SD, standard definition recording through cameras, then high density, then very high density. Now we are in the realm of 4K, and we are in 5.7K, wherein we have very high resolution, But I have a basic question, that even the most evolved camera, e-camera in this universe is not comparable to the human eyes. Human eyes are ideal. Similarly, our ears, we may be having hearing aids, but the hearing faculty of the ears is much better than any other, by the help of any other supportive aid. So as human beings, we have to have our senses intact in the healthy state. But at the same time, technology is our extension. Radio is extension of our voice. Is extension of television. Computer is extension of our psyche. Multimedia, trying, and so on. When we go into the realm of technology, we ought to know the nature of technology. अब कहेंगे अरे भाई टेक्नोलॉजी क्या करेगी, उसको कोसने से भी काम नहीं चलेगा, और सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी पर आधारित होने से भी काम नहीं चलेगा. इट हैज टू बी ब्लेंडेड. अपना आपका तो साथ में रहना चाहिए, उसका विस्तार भी होना चाहिए. आपका नहीं रहेगा तो विस्तार किसका करेंगे? तो मार्शल मैकलुहान ने बरसों पहले कहा था, मीडियम इज मैसेज. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, मीडियम इज मैसेज. आप बोले, आप कहेंगे कि अरे भाई माध्यम संदेश कैसे हो सकता है, संदेश माध्यम क्या हो सकता है, गोयल क्या बक रहा है, मीडियम इज मैसेज. इट मींस दैट there should be medium and message compatibility. Every message does not go with every medium and vice versa. कुछ टीवी के अनुकूल हैं, कुछ रेडियो के अनुकूल हैं, कुछ कंप्यूटर के अनुकूल हैं, कुछ स्मार्टफोन के अनुकूल हैं, कुछ इस ऐप के अनुकूल हैं, कुछ उस वेब के अनुकूल हैं. तो हमें ये देखना चाहिए कि मैसेज और मीडियम की कंपैटिबिलिटी क्या है, मीडियम मैसेज कंपैटिबिलिटी. then medium should not dictate the message. Medium should be neutral to the message. Medium also should not interact with the message. Medium should let the message pass as it is. जैसे लता मंगेशकर ने गाया, इतनी सुरीली आवाज, इतनी गुणवत्ता उसमें, और इतना रिदम, इतना राइम, इतना रेजोनेंस, क्या माध्यम उसको एज में से ले जाता है? और उसकी फिडेलिटी है, वायरलेस फिडेलिटी, हाई फिडेलिटी ऑफ द मैसेज, कुड इट बी रिटेन? सो मीडियम इज मैसेज. हम किसी मैसेज पर कब कितना विश्वास करते हैं, हम देखते हैं कौन से माध्यम से आया. अरे बीबीसी की न्यूज गलत हो ही नहीं सकती. दे क्रॉस वैलिडेट द मैसेज बिफोर दे टेलीकास्ट, बिफोर दे बीम द मैसेज. इट इज उसका आपका वाक्यम होता है. आपका मींस द टेक्स्ट हैज इट्स ओन टेस्टिमनी. क्या मजाल कि कोई संदेश बिना तोले, बिना मापे, बिना इवेल्युएट करे मुखरित हो जाए. या आजकल तो बिना सोचे समझे लिख दिया, मैं अपने लिए भी बोलता हूँ, लिख दिया और फट से मोटर मसल कंट्रोल में वो कर दे सेंड, और सेंड होते ही हो गया सेंड. कम्युनिकेशन इज इरिवर्सिबल, वी कैन नॉट टेक इट बैक. So we have to be very careful realizing the medium and message compatibility. Then spatial and temporal contiguity of various message forms. कोई भी मैसेज है, उससे रिलेटेड इमेज है, उससे रिलेटेड वीडियो है, उससे रिलेटेड वॉइस है, उससे रिलेटेड टेक्स्ट है. It is expected that all these recur simultaneously. ये आगे पीछे हो गए ना तो जो मैसेज है उसको रिसीव करने में तकलीफ होती है. सो जहां पर अपने तस्वीर दिया है, इमेज दिया है, उसी के नीचे टेक्स्ट, और जहां पर उसको दिखा रहे हैं वहीं पर साउंड, वहीं पर एनिमेशन, तब उसमें उसको एसिमिलेट करने में आनंद आता है, और उसको हम अच्छे से एसिमिलेट कर सकते हैं, और उसको हम एनालिटिकली स्टोर कर सकते हैं. मीडिया लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी, वी शुड बी proficient in every medium language, say every app language. If we are not, then we fail in utilizing technology. Then message credibility and media fidelity, as I shared with you, that message should be believable, message should be foolproof. The testimony of the text ought to be text or image or video, any form the message obtained should be well established in advance. And balanced view composition. आप कुछ भी दिखा रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी वहां पर है, वहां पर रखा हुआ है, जो कुछ भी वहां पर सामने है, उनमें आपस में क्या रिश्ता है, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, फोरग्राउंड क्या है, उनका कंपोजिशन क्या है, उनका रिलेशन क्या है, उनका सामीप्य और दूरी क्या है. ये देख के हमें किसी व्यू को, किसी दृश्य को संतुलित तरीके से प्रस्तुत करना चाहिए, और इस तरह से प्रस्तुत करना चाहिए कि उसमें शालीनता हो और हमारा मैसेज ठीक से पहुंच पाए. Like that, there are numerous skills of technopedagogy, numerous principles of technopedagogy, like message irreversibility, we cannot take it back. Projection time determination. Projection time varies from culture to culture. We have to see with which culture we are communicating. How much be the screen time for children? How much should be the screen time for adults? How much should be the screen time for the elderly? And how the speed varies from one culture to another. I think we ought to be cognized before we project. Then correspondence among sender, message, medium, and receiver. And as I already shared with you, then wavelength of scripter, presenter, producer, cameraman. कई बार क्या होता है, जितने भी ये है ना, आलेखक है, प्रस्तुत करने वाला है, निर्माता है, और कैमरामैन है, और फ्लोर मैनेजर है, कई बार क्या होता है, इनकी अपनी अपनी ढफली, अपना अपना राग, इनको पता ही नहीं होता क्या है. अरे भाई, unless or until you are at the same wavelength, how will you produce the program? उनमें आपस में तारतम्य होना चाहिए, अंडरस्टैंड चाहिए. Then demand of the digital products. तो जो डिमांड और सप्लाई है उसमें बैलेंस होना चाहिए. और जो भी प्रोग्राम हम प्रोड्यूस करें, ये हमारी कोशिश रहनी चाहिए कि वो नेचुरल है. नेचुरल तो नहीं हो सकता, शूडो नेचुरल है, नियर नेचुरल है, ऐसा लगे जैसे आप बिल्कुल कुदरत प्रस्तुत कर रही है. कंपेटिबल फॉर्मेट, सूटेबल फॉर्मेट होना चाहिए जो जिसके लिए है. कहाँ पर नरेशन, कहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्शन, कहाँ पर वीडियो, कहाँ पर ऑडियो, किस फॉर्म में आना चाहिए, वी हैव टू डिसाइड. and our programs ought to be innovative and interesting. Here I like to caution all of my teachers. Now we have gone into the realm of बस उसी को बार बार उसी को दिखाते रहते हैं. अरे भाई उसमें कुछ नया डालो, कोई नई चीज आए. मैं तो कहता हूँ कई बार these volumes and volumes of repositories and depositories at times when these are not much of use and innovative, these should be discarded if these are not valuable. Why should we load our learners? Why should we load our teachers with these volumes and volumes and volumes and heaps of information? I think we have to be very choosy. We have to be very selective. We have to be very germinative, innovative, incubative, creative, connective. Then the techno pedagogy has to be holistic. कई बार हम बोलते हैं अरे ये टेक्नोलॉजी ने ना सारा रस ही चला गया. टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण पूरी मैकेनिस्टिक हो गई, यांत्रिक हो गई. किसने कहा भाई? टेक्नोलॉजी तो हमारा विस्तार है. उसने क्या किया? जो परोसेंगे, जो उसके थ्रू देंगे, टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू, टेक्नोलॉजी वही तो प्रदान करेगा. I think even the high tech can have high touch and high tech. अरे कई बार हम देखते हैं व्हाट्सएप आता है, कई प्रोग्राम आता है, कई बार वो देख के आंसू ही नहीं रुकते, कई बार हंसी मुस्कान ही नहीं रुकती, कई बार उनके एक्शन को देख के हम डांस करने लग जाते हैं. मीनिंग देयर बाय the technology is what we serve it and what it provides to others. So while utilizing technology, we ought to be as holistic as possible. That is not only cognition, not only affective faculty, psychomotor faculty, holistic faculty. Now recently NCERT has had a program, NISHTA, National Initiative for Schools, Heads and Teachers Holistic Development. और 40 लाख टीचर्स को एड्रेस करके पूरी एनसीईआरटी की फैकल्टी फील्ड में उतर गई और वहां पर 13 मॉड्यूल हैं. पूरा बखूबी टीचर्स के साथ वो टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा सेशंस करे गए एंड इट हैज इट्स ओन एक्सप्रेशन इन द फील्ड. देन communicative technopedagogy, healthy technopedagogy, symbiotic and cybernetic technopedagogy, then teleprompting and presentation. कई बार टीचर्स कोई प्रोग्राम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और वो सामने टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर है ना, वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे वो टेली डिक्टेटर हो. उसको देख देख के बोलते हैं अरे भाई उसमें से सिर्फ पॉइंट लो, अपना बोलो, ओरिजिनल बोलो, इनोवेटिव बोलो, स्पॉन्टेनियस बोलो, तो मजा आएगा, तो रस पड़ेगा उसमें. Then aspect ratio of the presenter, graphics, video and animation. Aspect ratio has to be the length, the breadth, the relative size and the relative hue, the background, the foreground, all that has to be proper balancing has to be done. Then constructivist and connectionist TPAC. I think we talk a lot of constructivistic approach. We talk a lot of ICT aided constructivist approach. I think yes, it ought to be promoted. अरे बच्चों के माइंड में, स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में जर्मिनेशन होता है. उनको जो जर्मिनेट है उनको एकदम बिठाया नहीं आता तो भाई बोल दो नहीं आता, और उसको कम से कम उसको प्रमोट तो करो, उसको कंडीशन, इंक्यूबेशन, देन क्रिएशन, लेट देम क्रिएट. में इंदौर में हाँ जब ये कोविड-19 आया उसने सैनिटाइजर छिड़कने का वो बना दिया, ऊपर वो फ्राई करके सैनिटाइजर छिड़का. मैं दिल खुश हो गया. आई वाज सो हैप्पी टू सी दैट बॉय कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ए मशीन व्हिच वाज स्प्रिंकलिंग द सैनिटाइजर. अरे हम मतलब आवर साइकेज आर वेरी पावरफुल. वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ पोटेंसीज. दीज नीड कंजीनियल कंडीशंस फॉर स्प्राउटिंग. Then culture compatible technopedagogy, coherent composition, prompting technopedagogy. Then there are various principles to the areas of the principle, segmenting presentation, pre-training principle, modality principle, multimedia principle, personalization principle. Yes, when we are in the realm of this distance communication, e-communication, digital communication, we should be impersonally personalized. We should be in a position to provide the differential inputs. तो जिसका जो मन है वो let the people choose and pick. Let the people choose and pick whatsoever is suitable for them. That should be the power of technology. Then the voice principle, object principle, natural view composition. Then I go on to another area, institutionalization of courses and degree programs in education for teachers. In 90s, when we were serving Professor Sahu, Pravat P.K. Sahu, myself, we were serving there at Indore, DAVV School of Education. Then for the first time, if I'm not wrong, Sahuji, you may correct me, we introduced computer education at B.Ed level. And for that, me and Professor Sansanwal, we were sent to Rolwala Computer Center, Ahmedabad. There, Jyoti Ben and Soni Sahib, they trained us on different softwares of computers. Then we felt confident. Professor Pasi promoted us, said, okay, Professor Pasi promoted, and he said, okay, Professor Sansanwal, go ahead, introduce computer education at B.Ed level, introduced, worked very well. Then we introduced at M.Ed level. Not only at B.Ed, at M.Ed level, we started degree programs. Bachelor of Computers in Education, Master of Computers in Education for the first time in India. And let me share with you openly. NCT said, National Council, our national, great National Council for Teacher Education. Oh, it is not under our purview. And UGC said, you rename it. और B.Ed ब्रैकेट में कंप्यूटर, M.Ed ब्रैकेट में कंप्यूटर. हमने कहा भाई एसेंस कुछ है, ब्रांड कुछ है, ये किसने सजेस्ट किया है? Which team of experts has suggested it is not acceptable to us? वो बोले बंद कर दो बंद. Our students had nothing, we don't worry about. My director was Professor Pasi, my vice chancellor Professor M.S. Soda. I salute both of them. They promoted these courses, and will be happy to learn that the product of these programs are domain leaders in technology, not only in India, abroad also. Let me cite some examples. Bhupendra Bagora, he is a neighbor of Indore. Now he is in UK. वहां पर जाकर उसने श्रीनाथ जी एकेडमी खोली है ICT की. वहां पर UK के स्टूडेंट्स एनरोल करते हैं. Manjit Singh Khalsa, he has his showroom in computers, ICT in Germany, in Hong Kong, also at Pune, and he has become more of a philanthropist. Pramod Thevarkar, he is a technical manager in America. What I am saying is, let us, we people, learn to app products, our own programs. It is only when we learn to appreciate our own production, our programs, our seeds, that we will be in a position to realize our faculties. And I think if we look into the history, India has been much more advanced. Then also we try to evolve taxonomy of educational skills in teacher education. It was done by the grace of God when I joined as a Professor Emeritus Fellow with the University Grants Commission. And this taxonomy of educational skills, this program was offered by MS University of Baroda at B.Ed, also at it is University. Was sharing with me that our university is offering the taxonomy of educational skills. I was so happy to learn, wherein we have focus on many varied skills, including digital age skills, ICT skills, computer skills, and so on. Then जब हम टीचर्स के लिए या जब हम टीचर्स रिसोर्सेज डिजाइन कंप्यूटर बेस्ड सिस्टम डिजाइन करते हैं, डिजिटल सिस्टम डिजाइन करते हैं, वी हैव टू डिसाइड वो रेडीमेड लेना है कि अपना बनाना है, सेंट्रलाइज्ड है कि डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड है. मार्केट से प्रोटोटाइप ले लें, जैसा हमें चाहिए जो उसके जैसा है, या फुल्ली फंक्शनल बनाना है. whether we build a system or we buy a system. बहुत सारे considerations हैं. I'll just have water. ये अपना देखना है. अब हमने let me cite you with you some example कि हमारे teachers कितने proficient हैं, कितने competent हैं, कितने skilled हैं, कितना उनमें passion है, कितना उनमें zeal है. हमने सोचा कि हमारी स्कूल ऑफ एजुकेशन DAVV की लाइब्रेरी को कंप्यूटराइज करना है। तो उसके लिए पासी साहब ने कहा, गोयल अभी आप वहाँ से इंडियन सोसाइटी फॉर टेक्निकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के थ्रू GSITS से काफी कई सारे कोर्स करके आए हो, तो अपनी लाइब्रेरी को करो कंप्यूटराइज। हमने कहा सर करते हैं। तो फिर हमने कोई एक साधन ढूंढा कि हमारी एक स्टूडेंट प्रविंदर बरिया, नाउ शी इज प्रोफेसर एट रायपुर, she took up her dissertation on LRMS. Then she continued with that dissertation even at MPhil level, LRMS. For her doctoral study, she also developed the same software further. And that software was utilized for courses indoor. Librarian said, अरे ये जो डेटाबेस है कंप्यूटर बेस का, इसमें से कोई डिलीट कर गया तो, कोई उड़ गया तो फिर कौन जिम्मेवार होगा, मेरे को भरना पड़ेगा। मैडम, मैंने कहा मैडम यू डोंट डू डायरेक्ट कन्वर्शन, यू डू पैरेलल कन्वर्शन। आप एक काम करो, रजिस्टर में भी एंट्री करो और कंप्यूटर में भी करो। उन्होंने कुछ 3-4 महीने करी। उसने कहा गोयल मैं अभी रजिस्टर में नहीं करूंगी, सिर्फ कंप्यूटर से करूंगी, इट इज वर्किंग सो वेल, कुछ होगा तो मैं देख लूंगी। एंड द सिस्टम वर्क वेरी वेल। नॉट ओनली इंदौर यूनिवर्सिटी स्कूल ऑफ एजुकेशन, even Guru Nanak Dev GNDU, Guru Nanak Dev University, that software for the learning resources management of their library. Similarly, we developed a timetable, time space personnel management system. Our teachers, one of the scholars now, he is professor with the MS University Baroda, Professor Ashutosh Bishwal. He took up his doctoral study on time space personnel management system. And how did we identify the area? The principal of the CAT school then at Indore said, oh, can you prepare our timetable through computers? We said, yes, we will take up. And we utilized FoxPro, one of the DBMS, database management systems. And the timetable developed that software system on time space personnel management system developed by Ashutosh Bishwal was found to be very useful, very, very, very useful. Then, e-compendium of educational researches. We, in teacher education, we try to develop e-compendiums of the doctoral research conducted and the projects conducted in education throughout India. And over years, by now 8 volumes have come up. Let me show one of the volumes. Let me show you one of the volumes. So here we have abstracts of research studies conducted by teacher education institutions in India. It was done by D.R. Goel, Chaya Goel, R.L. Madhvi, case the MS University of Baroda at case. Now these studies, this particular first volume, like this 8 volumes are there. This first volume has 146 studies from all over India, plus 54 studies in the area of ICT. And these have been differentiated into 19 areas, right from attitude of teachers and students through art education, and section 19 is a paper on educational media in India. We can go to any area. Say suppose we like to go to area 8. We click on 8. Yes, when we press on 8, then we have the listing of the studies here. We can click on any study, say number 1 or any study. Now, when we click on this study, we get what we get is exploring effectiveness of computer assisted learning material on rhymes in different modes. And it has the objectives enunciated, then the hypothesis formulated, sample drawn, tools and techniques constructed, and the characteristics of which were established, then the data analysis techniques employed, and findings of the study. Like this, all the volumes, 8 volumes, have n number of studies wherein we have abstracted these studies. Now, let me share with you that it was just out of our out of our zeal. मन किया, अरे भाई क्या हम कंपेंडियम बना सकते हैं? क्या हम अपने जो स्टडीज करते हैं, इतनी वैल्यूएबल स्टडीज हैं कंडक्टेड बाय डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज, क्या हम उनके कंपेंडियम बना के शेयर कर सकते हैं? यस, these were done, and initially 3 volumes Initially, 3 volumes were available on the Intel site, www.educationinindia.net, and progressively the volumes were available on the CASE website, which were designed, developed, and implemented by we staff members, we students, scholars, and staff members at CASE Baroda. These are resident. I'll show you a glimpse of that site. Anyhow, it is not responding. I'll get back to it later. Then now we have developed a MOOC on educational administration, and a 4-credit course, which was in collaboration with the Allahabad University, has already been launched. And another 4-credit course on perspectives, issues, and research in teacher education is nearing completion, which is likely to be launched this year. Another 4-credit course, research methodology in education, is in the making. Then many teachers all over India have been trained on editing, employing. भाई ये ऊपर क्या आ गया? वेटिंग रूम में बार-बार वेटिंग रूम को कंट्रोल करो ना भाई. EPUB editor. Many teachers all over India have been trained on editing, employing EPUB. पहले हम क्या करते थे? टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग करते थे, सिर्फ वो टेक्सचुअल मटेरियल होता था. अब हम एक साथ में ऑडियो, टेक्स्ट और वीडियो को एडिट कर सकते हैं, और वहां पर बहुत सारे टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग हम कर चुके हैं. मैं आपको एक ग्लिम्स दिखाता हूँ. एक प्रोग्राम है, ये है यहाँ पर. ये देखिए आपके सामने एक यहाँ पर एक EPUB है. ये EPUB, इसका टाइटल है सचमुच अतिथि. ये अभी 2-3 दिन पहले एक चूहा आ गया था मेरे रूम में, एक आश्रम में जहाँ पर मैं आजकल रहता हूँ, जहाँ से आज प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा हूँ, और 2-3 दिन इसने धमाल मचाया. मैं सोचा था एडजस्ट हो जाएगा, पर एडजस्ट नहीं हुआ. तो फिर इसके बारे में ये एक पोएम है, सचमुच अतिथि. यहाँ पर ये बंद हो गया, पिंजरा लगाया, इसके बारे में बताया. ये तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सुना ही देता हूँ, आपको अच्छा लगेगा. एक चूहे को गुड़ क्या मिल गया, वह तो दिन रात आश्रम में हिल गया. जब गुड़ समाप्त हो गया तो फलाहार, जब फल नहीं मिले तो कागज आहार. पता नहीं कहां से कब कैसे आता, ना आता दिखता ना जाता दिखता. सतर्कता और सुरक्षा, विजिलेंस एंड सिक्योरिटी को चुनौती देने लगा. पता नहीं कहां छिपता, कहां भूमिगत होता. नियंत्रण हेतु एक पिंजरा लगाया, पहली बार में उसको भीतर पाया. पिंजरे में व्यथित विकल दारुण क्रंदन करने लगा. अब ये जो दारुण क्रंदन है ना, इसका एक वीडियो है, ये YouTube पर है. मैं आपके सामने क्या शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, चूहा दिखाना यहाँ पर इतना ध्येय नहीं है। जो दिखाना है वो ये है कि इसमें टेक्स्ट, ऑडियो और वीडियो को एक साथ एडिट किया है ईपब की फॉर्म में। और ये रैट इन केस जो है, अगर आपको इसको वीडियो फॉर्म में देखना है तो ये इट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन अपलोडेड ऑन द यूट्यूब। I'll just click on it, hope it works. भाई चलना। I think now you might have heard the sound and you have seen the video of this rat. What I wanted to show you was that through this EPUB, we could produce EPUB editing all these all the different forms together. Then we have been producing e-forms on various themes like collective wisdom of India, researching pioneer competencies of India, Swami Vivekananda and complete holistic social development, and researching teacher education in India. These are in the e-form available with us. I will show you the glimpses of the collective wisdom of India. Here is a volume, Collective Wisdom of India. It has various contents, outer cover page, preface, forward, acknowledgement, table of contents, approaches to collective wisdom, worship of the original and ultimate sources of wisdom, Shri Chanakya Niti Shastra and the political ethics, universe of Swami Vivekananda, Hind Swaraj of Mahatma Gandhi, religious heritage of India, Sikh Guru Bani, message of Ramayana in the modern world, essence of Bhagavad Gita, essence of Gram Gita by Sant Tukadoji Maharaj at Maharashtra, essence of Quran, essence of Holy Bible, essence of Buddhism, essence of Jainism, wisdom of ancient Indian universities, identity of education, health status and health education in India, and so on. Then we evolved a taxonomy of educational skills. If you like to have, you can have a glimpse of it. I'll show you progressively. Then designing and development of a Hindi text editor. Let me share with you here that one of our scholars was trying to study the effectiveness of CALM, computer assisted learning material, for lower primary students through different modes: text and graphics, text, graphics and music, text, graphics, music and recital, text, graphics, music, recital and action. And for that, we were to develop uh, these rhymes and Bal Geet by the help of टेक्स्ट एडिटर. पर अंग्रेजी की तो हो गई, पर जब हिंदी की बात आई तो उसमें तकलीफ आई, क्योंकि मार्केट में जो अवेलेबल थे ना, प्रकाशक था, सुलेख था, उनमें मात्राओं की प्रॉब्लम होती थी. तो वन ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स, बीसीएड स्टूडेंट जितेंद्र कानून को, now he is serving at Indore. He is also manager in the area of this digital domain. He said, sir, I will develop my own Hindi text editor. And he developed Hindi text editor within, I think it took him about 3 to 4 months. He was sparing some time daily. And he named that Bharati after the name of his mother, Bharati. And that Bharati text editor worked very well, much better than the prototypes which were available in the market. And we developed our own software, very cost effective, very cost effective. Then research and development, a film Safar Ghar Se School Tak was produced to facilitate first transition of children from home to preschool. I'll give you the glimpses. Time is limited, but I'll try.
सफर करते हैं और हर सफर की अपनी तैयारी होती है. यह सफर है घर से स्कूल तक का. अक्सर स्कूल जाने के लिए बच्चे बहुत उत्सुक होते हैं कि नया स्कूल बैग होगा, पानी की बोतल होगी, अरे वाह, टिफिन, खेल खिलौने आदि. मगर उन्हें इस बात का एहसास नहीं होता कि स्कूल में माता पिता का साथ नहीं होगा. धीरे धीरे हंसता गाता बचपन उसका आगे बढ़ा. 3 वर्ष की उम्र में जब भरता घर से निकल पड़ा तो कैसा होगा स्कूल वहाँ, और क्या मिलेगा इसे वहाँ. है पूछ रहा वह जाना वहाँ, तो क्या होगा और वहाँ. दुनिया मनाने वाला भी महान है. उसने हर व्यक्ति को अलग रूप दिया है. हमारे
Well, this is regarding this film, which is for facilitating first transition from home to preschool. और इसका जीनेसिस मेरे स्कूल जाने में है. मेरे को पता है, जब मेरे ग्रैंडफादर, मेरे बाबा जी मेरे को स्कूल में ले गए, तो जैसे ही मास्टर जी की नज़र फ्री में भाग लिया स्कूल से, और रास्ते में पकड़ के फिर बिठा दिया, फिर भाग लिया. तो मेरे को तब से ये हांट करता था कि कैन बी प्रोड्यूस अ फिल्म फॉर फैसिलिटेटिंग फर्स्ट ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम होम टू प्री स्कूल. और ये हम सब बच्चों की परेशानी रहती है. क्या हम कुछ ऐसा करें कि बच्चे स्कूल की ओर भी आकर्षित हों. शिक्षा में कैसा ऐसा क्या लाएं, टीचर्स को कैसे ट्रेन करें, पेरेंट्स को कैसे ट्रेन करें. एंड आई थिंक दिस फिल्म विच वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सुजाता जस राय, वन ऑफ माय डॉक्टरल स्टूडेंट्स, हैज वर्कड वेरी वेल इन दिस एरिया. Then research and development, there could be many varied areas. Then augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality. आज वो जमाना आ गया जब जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट आ गया होलोलेंस में. अब ये होलोलेंस में आना, इसका इतिहास आप देखिए. जो हमारी मधुमक्खी होती है, आज सुबह ही मैंने, वो मैं दिखा नहीं पाऊंगा आपको, उसका एक फोटो लिया, इमेज लिया, वीडियो लिया. अब जो ये मधुमक्खी है, इसकी 6 आंखें होती हैं, 3 सिर के ऊपर, वो जो और 2 कंपाउंड आईज होती हैं साइड में. हर कंपाउंड आई में 6900 लेंस होते हैं. हर एक मधुमक्खी की दो कंपाउंड आईज में से प्रत्येक में 6900 लेंस होते हैं, और ये 6900 लेंस के परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन से उड़ती उड़ती फूलों में देख लेती है कहाँ पर उसको एसेंस मिलेगा, कहाँ पर परागण करना है। इतनी पावर है उसकी, है ना। तो जो हम मिक्स्ड रियलिटी बनाते हैं, मिक्स्ड रियलिटी का मतलब है कि जो हम ये ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी और वर्चुअल रियलिटी को मिक्स करके बनाते हैं, इसको बनाने के लिए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैज डन लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स कमिंग अप विद HoloLens बाय द हेल्प ऑफ व्हिच वी कैन हैव दिस मिक्स्ड रियलिटी। और ये ऐसे ही नहीं बना लिया माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने, इसके पीछे पूरा ये इतिहास है। कहीं पर मधुमक्खी की आंख से सीखना, कहीं पर जो और कोई जीव से सीखना, और किस तरह से ये डिफरेंट फैकल्टीज काम करती हैं, उसको किस तरह से अमल में करना। छोटा सा उदाहरण दिया, पर दिस इज बिग एरिया। देन रिसर्च, then there are many force tools, free and open system software, just FreePlane, Scratch, Easily, H5P, Audacity, short video editor for various purposes, creating एक मिनट ऊपर हो गया, मैं I'll just take 2 more minutes if you permit me. FreePlane, okay, these are for various utilities. Then there are many disruptive innovations in higher education. Technology is evolving very fast, which we wish we could be abreast with the different F2F degrees to nano virtual degrees, manual timetable to time space personal management. We have whole management information system series. Now we have moved from desktop to laptop to iPad to tablets. There is a move from point to point network to Wi-Fi and so on. There is a move from telecast to webcast, evident shift from chalkboard to whiteboard to smartboard, shift from OHP to LCD, evident focus on info-savvy skills. A big volume of learning resources is available on World Wide Web and YouTube. Progressively, there is a shift from face-to-face research and training to online research and training. There is a shift from F2F education to online education, and so on. F2F Gurukul to virtual Gurukul. And here, the digital signals travel with the speed of light, that is 3 raised to the power 10, 3 into 10 raised to the power 10 centimeters per second, which is 7 times the circumference of the earth. It means whatsoever Goel is speaking at presenting at present, it can take round of the entire earth and can come back to Goel within 1/7 of a second, or a person who is diagonally opposite to me within 1/14 of a second. That is the speed of electronic waves, electromagnetic waves. That is the speed of light, by the help of which the messages can flow, the communication can go. Then there are many forms. Then there are technological support for learners without eye vision. I recall my student Dharmesh, he would always insist that, sir, provide me the material in the e-form. Let me share with you that I tried my level best, but I could not do justice with him. I tried to provide him as much material in B.Ed and M.Ed in the e-form as I could. But he is very well utilizing various packages like Job Access with SpeechJaws, by the help of which he accesses any job on the computer by the help of this package. Speech की सहायता से वो करता है. Open book software cell phone में है, Talkback है. अभी now he is using eBraille, language software, screen reader, voice recognition. Then DAISY, Digital Accessible Information System, and non-visual desktop access, NVDA. And devices, there are various devices for assisting in receiving, responding. Well, in addition to this professional development, we have many tools. In mathematics, GeoGebra, उसके बहुत सारे shades हैं, Desmos है, MATLAB है. फिर साइंस में है StarWalk 2, Indian Sky Map, Periodic Table, Avogadro, and so on. Languages में है Drops, Rosetta, Duolingo, Cambly, Grammarly, and so on. Social sciences में फिर Google Earth, Google Art and Culture, and so on, up to Discovery Earth, and so many more. And then many more areas for learning, unlearning, like SWAM, ePathshala, ePG Pathshala. NCERT has many programs. Then IGNOU e-content, National Digital Library, SlideShare, Wikipedia. Then Khan Academy is doing a great service. Coursera, edX, Unacademy, TED Talks, podcast, expedition, and so on. Then iCollaboration, online meeting, collaborative boards. Then online assessment. Now online assessment is very common. We have Google Forms. We have Google Forms and Socrative, Google Form, Microsoft Forms, and so on. Then teacher support tools. Then teachers notes and plans, iDrive. Well, thank you very much. Sorry for overflow of time. I have taken 5 minutes more than what I was provided with. Well, I am grateful to the Allahabad University, and more so, I am grateful to, let me first of all admit, I am grateful to Akanksha, the convener of the program, Anshul, my son, Asit Prohit, a scholar who completed PhD with me, and Yashpal, who oriented me on how to utilize Zoom to be present in front of you, to salute, and I'm to all of them, grateful to all of them. And I am grateful to the Allahabad University for providing me this opportunity to be with the galaxy of the webinarians. And I am here with you because of Professor P.K. Sahu, who gave me this assignment that Goel, you prepare a write-up on professional development of teachers through e-resources. And I am trying in that area. Still his assignment is not complete, but I am doing it, sir, Sahu sir, and Dhananjay for speaking so high words for me. Wish I could be like that. And I am grateful to all of you for bearing with me. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now I request Dr. Ruchi Dubey, if there are any questions or students wants to ask, participant wants to ask any question, she'll moderate the question answer session. Dr. Ruchi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Till now there are no questions in the chat box, but I want to raise one question. Sir, will you please suggest any tool through which we teachers can improve ourselves, we can do our professional development in this lockdown period? Any such tool?
Okay. Very good.
Sir,
I think I got your question, Beta. I got your question. Now COVID-19.
Sir, please you
Corona.
stop sharing your screen so that everyone can view you properly.
मैं क्या करूं उसके लिए मेरे को समझा तो सही.
सर स्क्रीन शेयरिंग जो है वो बंद कर दीजिए. वहां पर एक
शेयर करूं
ना
Shall I share the screen?
हाँ हटा दीजिए आप अपना वो.
मैं स्टॉप शेयर करूं क्या करूं?
जी सर जी.
स्टॉप शेयर.
हाँ जी. अब आप फिर पूरी स्क्रीन पे दिखेंगे.
मेरे को ठीक से बताना नहीं तो बाहर ही निकल जाऊंगा. स्टॉप शेयर.
नहीं सर स्टॉप शेयर करिए.
हाँ मैं करता हूँ. रुक. स्टॉप शेयर पे प्रेस किया. कर दिया. जी
सर अब आप पूरी स्क्रीन पर आ गए. यस अब आप प्लीज क्वेश्चन.
वेरी गुड. Akanksha, you keep orienting me, beta. It's a big help. ये गुड़िया मेरे को कल से गाइड कर रही है बहुत अच्छे से. हाँ सैल्यूट. हाँ आपका सवाल ये है बेटा, अभी कोविड-19 है, कोरोना और कम्प्लेक्स ऑफ वायरसेस है जिसने हमको सबको बंद कर दिया है, जीना मुश्किल कर दिया है. ऐसे में हम क्या करें? बहुत बढ़िया बात है. अब जैसे मैं भी आप जैसा ही हूँ, एक टीचर हूँ. मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो मेरी तकलीफ होती है ना उसको कंपोज करता हूँ. कंपोज करके उसको पीडीएफ फॉर्म में. हाँ साहू, ए पर्वत सुन मेरी बात सुन. तो जो सवाल है इनका वो ये है कि अब लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हम टीचर्स क्या करें, है ना. हम टीचर्स लेट अस बी वेल वर्स्ड विद टेक्नोलॉजी. Number one, let us have the URLs of different learning resources to visit those learning resources. Okay, different जैसे NROER है, नेशनल रिपोजिटरी है, वो जो मैंने बीच में आपको प्रेजेंटेशन किया, नेशनल डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी है. इन सब के जो URL है, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर, ये भी URL नहीं समझ में आता तो इनका जो अता पता है, इनका जो वो हमें पता हो और हम वहाँ पर विजिट कर जाएं और हम अपने सिंक्रोनस मोड में, एसिंक्रोनस मोड में अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी गाइड करें. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, हम टीचर्स जिस भी पैकेज में हम, जिस भी सॉफ्टवेयर में हम कॉम्पिटेंट हैं, उसमें हम अपना मटेरियल बनाएं, मटेरियल बनाकर जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम एट ईज हैं उससे उस पर शेयर करें, उस पर शेयर करें। नंबर 2। नंबर 3, अरे भाई ये कोविड तो अभी आया है, तो हम तक क्या टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल पहले नहीं करते थे क्या? अभी वेबिनार थोड़े ज्यादा चालू हो गए, पहले भी तो करते थे। ये साउथ तो पूरा का पूरा हिमाचल ले आया था डिस्टेंस लर्निंग का, ये पूरा डिस्टेंस लर्निंग प्रोग्राम हिमाचल और साउथ एक ही बात है, वो पूरा यूनिवर्सिटी हिमाचल यूनिवर्सिटी हो गया साउथ। तो उसमें क्या करते हैं हम टीचर्स को ज्यादा चिंता की जरूरत नहीं है। वी टीचर्स आर वेरी having very high level of potency, very high level of competency. The only thing is how to translate that into action. और वो मुश्किल नहीं है। उसमें हमें PDF आता है तो उसमें, हमें EPUB आता है तो उसमें, हमें जो डिस्टेंस लर्निंग के जो भी साधन है, मीन्स हैं, उनमें करके हम उनको कम्युनिकेट करें, बस। और क्या करना है उसमें? आकांक्षा, मैंने जवाब दिया कि कुछ गलत फल बोल दिया?
नहीं सर, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। डॉक्टर रुचि, एनी मोर क्वेश्चन?
Thank you so much, sir. So one more question is being raised by Ms. Garima Yadav, and she has asked how to develop our online assessment skills. I repeat, how to develop our online assessment skills.
बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
Sir, one more question is being asked by.
हाँ, very good.
Yes, sir.
Online assessment skills, there are many very tools for online assessment. I have might use Google Form, okay, and we can go on to even hot potatoes, Google Form, and there are, उनके तो मेरे को नाम नूम भी याद नहीं है बेटा, बहुत सारे टूल हैं वो। there is a whole array of these tools which can be utilized for e-evaluation, वो इनका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अभी मेरे को वो याद नहीं आएंगे इतनी जल्दी, पर मैंने गूगल फॉर्म इस्तेमाल किया है, हॉट पोटैटो यूज किया है, उसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir, for enriching us. हम लोगों को enrich करने के लिए, because आपने इतने अच्छे से answers दिए question के. Thank you, and over to Akanksha ma'am.
Thank you बेटा, thank you.
कि सर, आप बहुत ही अच्छा लेक्चर था, इतनी सारी नई चीजें पता चली। हम लोग आगे भी इन सारे रिसोर्सेज को टैप करेंगे। नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट प्रोफेसर पीके साहू सर, फॉर्मर वाइस चांसलर University of Allahabad, Head Dean Department of Education, University of Allahabad, for his concluding remarks. Professor P.K. Sahu sir.
Namaskar. Am I audible?
Yes sir.
Yes. So good afternoon to all of you. It is my pleasure to conclude what our friend Professor Devraj Goyal talked about technology movement in education and teacher development. I call it as a movement because purposeful and very planned way the initiatives which were taken at individual level as well as at the institutional level to strengthen technology interventions in teacher education, particularly in teaching learning system. Professor D.R. Goyal is an exception in that field because through his perseverance and continuous involvement day and night for over 4 decades, he did not deter from this mission of technology-oriented teacher education, as he narrated, that how it was initiated and it gained ground at his first workplace at Devi Ahilyabai University, Indore, and then when he moved to Center of Advanced Studies in Education, MS University of Baroda, the various kinds of interventions and innovative projects which were undertaken at institutional level to orient school teachers and teacher educators, particularly in production of materials, production of resources, production of softwares, for orienting teachers regarding different kinds of skills which are to be used for teaching, learning, assessment, and research. Professor Goel highlighted on the technology and pedagogic skills and its integration, and a very happy blending of these two, that a person like Professor D.R. Goel can do that. He is a man of science. He took interest in the field of technology and as a pedagogy expert. Very rarely we come across a personality like Professor D.R. Goel who could initiative in developing taxonomy of educational skills. We talked about the domains like psychomotor domain, but when we talked about educational skills, it is an exception. And Professor Goel and his team, and he did this work as a matter of UGC project as a professor of emeritus at MS University of Baroda, which is to be used as teacher education curriculum in different universities, as he shared. Professor Goel talked about the e-resources and particularly the learning resources management system, that how we can make use of library support system and producing and availing different materials in e-form, in text form, in audio form, and in video form. There are national level and international level efforts made for commercializing different activities. But Professor Goel's greatness is that he developed such materials by involving his students, particularly to whom he loves like his own family members. And he was just counting that how his students contributed to develop such material for the use of teachers, for the use of teacher educators and the researchers for teaching, learning, and evaluation and research purposes. He talked about e-compendium of education resources, and it was his great contribution that after Professor M.B. Booth's survey of research in education, these are two persons I will not forget on this platform. It was Professor D.N. Sansonwal who took it, this project as a department project of DRS of UGC, and as a parallel form, Professor D.R. Goel also took it up as a project. And these two projects were carried out on voluntary and on a very collaborative basis, that we can come across a different research literature which are available about the doctoral level work conducted in teacher education institutions and departments of education. So a kind of learning support resources. And then he talked about the MOOC and massive online open classroom system, where Professor Goel has been currently involved in Center of Education Technology at the NCERT, Central Institute of Education and Technology, where in our collaborative projects, he has been very much in and giving complete shape to different materials being available through MOOC and SWAYAM online projects. Professor Goel talked about the availability of different resources for school teachers and teacher educators in different subject areas. Those subject area specific skills and competencies, they cannot be transferred so easily at face-to-face situation because of lack of availability of our expertise at local level. So Professor Goel's compendium of different resources for training of teachers and teacher educators in different subject contents and content teaching processes, and they are very much of eye-opening to us, and we can make use of such softwares in our day-to-day practices for strengthening our teaching learning system and making it more quality-oriented. Professor Goel's presentation is very much encouraging. particularly to those people who complete their classes within 1 or 2 hours, then they go to take nap at their home because my teaching is over, so I'll take rest. Professor D.R. Goel, many people do not know, he comes to his home only for 6 hours for rest, and rest 18 hours are spent in the department. And the department, he also remains in his hand, and we also used to be habituated for that. And I felt sometimes guilty that people say that time is over, what are you doing in the department sitting? So this culture, the work culture, is not just an ideal culture for writing poems. What people say that ये गोयल जी बैठे बैठे कविताएं लिखते हैं, ये बात नहीं. So he is a very productive person and very creative person. And when he gets tired, just to take rest, he writes a few lines for his poem. We will be very much proud to have your resource support at this stage when you are very much free from any bondage, free from the shackles of the formal service rules from the university. And sir, your guidance and your inspiration and your human touch, what you talk while discussing about techno-pedagogic skills. Professor Goel is very much a humanistic person and very lovable person. I would not like to appreciate him because he's my friend, but I feel proud that he's a sadhu. To give a definition of sadhu is very difficult. और साधु के साथ ये एक रसायन भी, बेसिकली ए पर्सन के, और ये पनडुब्बी जहाज में भी डूब के रहते हैं कई सालों तक. Basically, he was a naval officer. People do not know that at initial stage, in the naval doing, he used to work and remain in ships for months together. And when he comes out from the Jal Sajja, then he will come out with his real product. And today, we are very much elated to see him that he has come out of his Pandubi, being held up in NCRT for past 4 months because of COVID-19, missing Baroda, his family member. And when he was just raising his hand and like doing this, I thought that Goel Sahib is in a mood and perhaps he will hit us because he is feeling very much clumsy in his room in the NI hostel. And he has developed a friendship with his rat rather than from his tummy. So I am very much thankful to you, Professor Goel, a sadhu, a humanist, a researcher, a productive person, a creative writer, and a very nice teacher, very lovable teacher. And your presentations are very much encouraging and very much thought-provoking. And it is very much motivating to our young friends, what you say about techno-savvy friends. And your inspiration will guide us to make our journey and the miles to go with your inspirations. Thank you very much, Professor Devraj Goel. And let me say that Professor Goel's inspiration to prepare that, develop that Gharsey school, it was his own life's experience. And when he got actually distracted, and once he left his school, he did not come back to his residence at Sonipat, and he sat on a train and moved to Gharonda. That is his mama's place, that he will not come back to his home. Then there was a search that where is this boy? And usually people will know that if somebody is out, first you go to his uncle's place and locate whether he has gone to his uncle's place. And Goelji, I am revealing it because I am very close to you. I know all those pannas of your life. And that inspired to make a film that what kind of feelings and human touch and things are missing in our school system, and the family and school's relations and the emotional bondage which we must establish between the parents and the teachers and teacher as a parent of child. So Goyal ji, I am very much thankful to you on my own personal behalf and on behalf of my alma mater, earlier alma mater, the University of Allahabad, that you have blessed us, and it is very much graceful to listen to you and to enjoy your presentations. And I am hopeful that Professor Dhananjay Yadav's leadership will give us more scope to interact with each other and to get opportunity to listen to you. Thank you, Dr. Goyal. I wish you all the
Thank you,
best.
Saurji. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And to your team also, my dear Anshul and my dear friend, Dr. Yashpal Sharma, the Associate Professor of CIET. You took their name, and you are also research fellow. And with me also, I take assistance of Dr. Surendra Kumar, who used to help me in zoom in and zoom off and switch off and switch in. All these Hathodi's work, which is there, and we'll have to learn it to make us technology savvy, sir. So bye bye, Goyal ji, sir. मुस्कुरा तो दो थोड़ा.
नमस्ते नमस्ते. मैं मुस्कुराने में हंस दिया.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया बताया साहू जी, बहुत अच्छा.
सर घरुंदा चला नहीं जाना अभी तो दिल्ली में रहेगा और रेल में बैठ के घरुंदा नहीं जाने. So let us speak to Dr. Akanksha ji. Dr. Akanksha ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, I request a little request from Goyal, sir, that if you permit, either I read out your poem, this gorgeous pair, or you please recite for us.
You recite. You have.
Yes, sir.
You may recite, beta. You may recite.
I just want to recite it for our participants. The poem written by Goyal sir, Gorgeous Pairs. How graceful, how blissful, how peaceful are the gorgeous pairs. Always caring, always sharing, always daring in every sphere. Their lives are pure and serene. Their love flows through profound streams. They seek solitude even in crowds. Through generations, their culture sprouts. Every act of theirs is a festive. Perfection in every act is their motive. No regret or repentance, always pious thought and actions. They are admired in every sphere. Their goals are always higher. Their ambience is peaceful and graceful. Their union is modest and marvelous. By Dr.
Thank you, Akanksha.
Beautiful, sir. I wasn't able to resist myself to announce this thing and to tell everybody that you are such a nice poet. Thank you, sir.
Reciting it, you recited it you were full of feelings.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now over to Dr. Ruchi for a few announcements and further on for.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Professor Dhananjay Yadav, our head of the department, to extend a formal vote of thanks. Thank you. Over to Dhananjay, sir. Dhananjay, sir.
आवाज आ रही मेरी?
जी सर.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
यस सर, आ रही है.
ओके. सर सबसे पहले प्रोफेसर डी.आर. गोयल सर को विशेष धन्यवाद, विशेष आभार कि सर आपने बहुत ही अल्प समय में, मुश्किल से 3-4 दिन पहले आपसे बात हुई थी और आपने कहा कि नहीं मैं आप लोगों की बात है, प्रोफेसर साहू की बात है, तो आई विल बी देयर विद यू एंड आई विल टॉक ऑन सच ए रेलिवेंट टॉपिक. और वो रेलिवेंस उसके हिसाब से है कि आज जब हम कोविड पेंडेमिक में हेल्ड अप हैं और हमारे पास चुनौतियां बहुत ज्यादा हैं, बच्चे हमारे सामने नहीं है, फिर भी हमको उनके सामने पहुंचना है, और उस विषम परिस्थितियों में हम कैसे अपनी आवाज को बच्चों तक पहुंचा सकें, कैसे अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को बच्चों तक पहुंचा सकें, कैसे बच्चों की भावनाओं को समझ सकें, और एक जो टीचर का बेसिक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उसको कैसे निभा सकें, और उन सबको पूरा करने में हम टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद कैसे ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी जो आज से 20 साल 30 साल पहले समझी जाती थी और आज जो टेक्नोलॉजी का स्वरूप है वो काफी परिवर्तित हो गया है, और उसने हमारे सामने बहुत बड़े क्षेत्र खोल दिए हैं कि अभी हमको काफी कुछ पढ़ना, काफी कुछ जानना शेष है। और पढ़ने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, अपने स्किल डेवलपमेंट में नई नई स्किल्स और आती जा रही हैं, उन स्किल्स में हम कैसे अपडेट होंगे। और सर अभी साहू सर ने बताया कि केमिस्ट्री के मूलभूत विद्यार्थी रहे हैं, तो केमिस्ट्री ऑफ पेडागोजी को हम चेंजिंग पर्सपेक्टिव में कैसे एनालाइज कर सकें, कैसे समझ सकें और अपनी रिएक्टिबिलिटी को कैसे एंड पॉइंट तक पहुंचा सकें, उन सब डायमेंशंस को सर ने बहुत बखूबी बताया। और आज जब हम रेस्ट पीरियड में हैं तो उस रेस्ट पीरियड में अपने माइंड की अनरेस्ट को कैसे लगातार जगाते रहें। क्यों? क्योंकि जब तक अनरेस्ट होगा तभी जाकर के हम क्रिएटिविटी की ओर जा पाएंगे। तो इन ऑर्डर टू कम आउट समथिंग क्रिएटिव, जैसे साहू सर ने कहा कि क्लास तो 1 घंटा पढ़ाता है आदमी, लेकिन उसके बाद के समय को काफी वो यूटिलाइज करता है फॉर सर्चिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर। तो एक टीचर की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी इन चेंजिंग सिनेरियो काफी बदलती जा रही है। और आने वाला समय जो चैलेंजेस लेकर के आ रहा है, उस चैलेंजेस को हम कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से अपने प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंस को कैसे बढ़ा सकें और कैसे आगे बढ़ सकें, इन सब बिंदुओं पर सर ने बहुत विस्तार से चर्चा किया। और निश्चित ही मैं कमेंट्स अभी देख रहा था, जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उन्होंने भी काफी आपके उद्बोधन को सराहा है सर। एंड आई थिंक द गाइडलाइंस दैट यू हैव गिवन टू अस विल इंडीड पेव आवर वर्ड्स फॉर द फ्यूचर। आगे हम उसको ले जाने का प्रयास करेंगे। और डिपार्टमेंट के लिए भी आगे के लिए आपने काफी स्कोप खोला कि यूडीसी सैप है, सैप में हम आगे काम कर सकते हैं। और हमारे जो यंगर कोलीग्स हैं उनको भी आगे काम करने के लिए काफी एरियाज खुल जाते हैं। तो उम्मीद करते हैं सर भविष्य में भी आपसे हम लगातार जुड़ते रहेंगे, बात करते रहेंगे। और ये कोरोना को विशेष धन्यवाद कि उसने हमको ये अवसर दिया कि हम आपसे इस समय बात कर सक रहे हैं। और टेक्नोलॉजी इनफैक्ट उसने हमको फैसिलिटेट किया। और जो एक्सपर्टीज कोरोना पीरियड में हमारे जो 4 यंगर कोलीग्स थे उन्होंने जो कुछ भी सीखा है उसको वो इस बदलती हुई परिस्थितियों में यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं। देयरफॉर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इन चारों हमारे कोलीग्स का, प्रोफेसर साहू सर का, क्योंकि वो हमारे बीच उपस्थित रहे और उन्होंने भी उत्साहवर्धन किया कि आपके उनके जो अंतरंग अनुभव थे उनको साझा किया। और ऑडियंस का विशेष धन्यवाद, क्योंकि ये ऑडियंस ही होती है जो कि हमको आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। तो ये संख्या लगातार बढ़ती जा रही है और ये ग्रुप सर काफी हिट्रोजिनस है। तो देयरफॉर वी आर इन हिट्रोजेनिटी एंड वी आर लिविंग इन इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटी। तो सोसाइटी की जो परसेप्शंस हैं उनको अगर हम एकेडमिक फील्ड में ट्रांसलेट कर पाए तो शायद ज्यादा बेहतर होगा। तो हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड द पेडागोजिक नीड्स of the learners and how to address those needs by utilizing the ICT resources, the web resources that we are having at the moment. There is a lot of scope for us to learn, lot of scope to modify ourselves, to change our psyche. Therefore, with these words, I thank you. I thank the audience. I thank the organizers.
Thank you
सभी को विशेष धन्यवाद। गोयल सर फिर आप मुस्कुरा दीजिए, आपकी कविताएं हमको बहुत प्रेरित करती हैं। और जब कभी भी आप एक नई कविता लेकर के आते हैं उनमें नए भाव रहते हैं। और हम सभी को ये प्रेरणा लेनी चाहिए कि केमिस्ट्री प्योर साइंस का विषय होने के बावजूद सर टेक्नोलॉजी में आगे गए और कंप्यूटर साइंस में आगे गए और उनको कैसे एजुकेशन से जोड़ने का प्रयास किया। पर्पस केवल ये था कि हमारी टीचिंग कैसे नीड ओरिएंटेड हो सके, कैसे फ्यूचरिस्टिक हो सके और कैसे डेडिकेटेड हो सके। तो हाउ टू मेक अवरसेल्फ अलाइव, उसको पाने के लिए हमको लगता है कि लगातार सजग रहना पड़ेगा और अपने अंदर परिवर्तन करने की चाहत को दबाना नहीं पड़ेगा। तो अगर हम चाहेंगे तो निश्चित ही आगे बढ़ेंगे। तो सर विद दीज वर्ड्स आपका हृदय से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत आभार। और इस उम्मीद के साथ कि हमारे ऑडियंस को जब कभी भी आगे मौका मिलेगा तो आपसे काफी कुछ सीखने का अवसर मिलेगा। एंड द डिपार्टमेंट विल लर्न a lot from your experiences with your expertise. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद
सभी
धनंजय
को
जी,
विशेष धन्यवाद।
हाइनेस, so kind of you, so kind of you, so kind of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, and thank you all the participants for your patient listening. There's one announcement which I want to make, that the feedback link will be shared to the participants who have attended the webinar through the email by tomorrow morning. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Goel
Thank you,
sir,
Ruchi.
and thank you all of you.
Thank you, Ruchi.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Dhananjay
much.
ji.
Thank
Thanks a lot.
you.
Thank you.